Level up your career with the ultimate AI-powered cybersecurity learning bundle. Learn smarter, defend faster, and build future-ready skills today. Cybersecurity is transforming. Artificial intelligence is now the key to detecting threats and automating security at scale. Don't get left behind. AI is fundamentally changing how professionals monitor and improve digital protection. This kit is designed to transform you from a basic learner into an AI-enhanced cybersecurity professional. We have packed everything you need into one comprehensive, actionable bundle. Gain instant access to over 100 carefully designed AI prompts to skyrocket your daily workflow efficiency. Follow our structured system to master high-quality prompt engineering, specifically for cybersecurity research and documentation. Discover the top AI tools that help you monitor trends, analyze security data, and streamline your research. Apply AI effectively to your daily tasks and security operations. We provide concrete examples of AI usage in society environments, risk assessment, and ethical security testing. Stop doing repetitive tasks manually. Learn how to automate incident reports and security monitoring with AI. We go beyond just prompts. We provide a complete system for your career growth. Access our exclusive learning frameworks, workflow templates, and documentation formats to stay ahead. Complete the course and receive a certificate of completion to showcase your AI cyber skills on LinkedIn. Our bundle is uniquely crafted for those who want real-world impact without needing advanced coding knowledge. Whether you are a student or a corporate analyst, this content is designed for easy adoption and immediate skill growth. Experience instant productivity gains with ready-to-use workflows. No programming skills are needed to get started. Ready to lead the field? Join the professionals who are outperforming the competition. Stop wasting time with scattered resources. Get the organized, AI-powered system you deserve. Remember, AI won't replace cybersecurity professionals, but professionals using AI will outperform those who don't. Get your kit today.